Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have recreated Chapli Kababs that I've tried in many Afghan restaurants. To start off, we are going to combine ground chicken with a pack of Shan Chapli Kabab Masala mix, coriander leaves, green chilies, 1 egg, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, ginger and garlic paste. After adding all of the ingredients, start to combine. If your mixture is not coming together, as you can see, add gram flour to the mixture, a tablespoon at a time. We added 4 tablespoons of gram flour. Start to make thin patty-like shapes. Fry on a pan for 5 minutes on each side till golden brown. Now it is ready to serve. Enjoy with salad, pulao, or afghani rice. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time.